Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable different types of maps in the Moovit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines on the top of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And then click on the map button. And here you can see all the locations or services that you can enable. And they will be on your map after that. So bike stations, electric scooters and taxis, but you can choose whichever you want. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.